Select remaining. This tool is useful to select remaining selection. Here, we have some objects. Here, you can see a shape is drawn. Select the object and press Crop button. Now, this is cropped. Now, if we make a selection inside it, we will make a selection with shortcut key, Alt+T. Now, if we want to make an outside selection, press Select Remaining button. Now, if we want to make a selection inside, we will click on Subtract button. And, if you want to do with the shortcut key, you have to press the minus key. Now, we can put the selected object to the side easily.